Sharae, and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? So today I will show y'all how I rearranged my room. It's real cute. Let's just jump right in.
Kid Ocean.
Okay, y'all. We just did the curtains. The curtains. Y'all like my bonnet? I know I switched it from yesterday. I just like this one better for when I'm sleeping because it don't come off in the middle of the night like the other one. And I don't know, I just be waking up in the middle of the night when my bonnet come off. Just to put that thing back on. I don't know, it's a sixth sense. It's a sixth sense or something like that. But look at these curtains, y'all. Y'all see that? Let me move this. Look at that. OMG. Got this little glass table. Who room better than mine? I'm waiting. Okay, y'all. So I just got my my chair just came from Wayfair. So I'm about to cut it open, slice, you know what I'm saying? Y'all, I was using this stool before. I know this ghetto. I was using it. It was hurting my back too. Now I have this chair. This thing glide on the carpet, girl. I'm about to be taking my videos with this comfortable with this chair, and y'all gonna be like, oh my goodness, her thing look bomb. We don't go down that much, but ooh, this too high. I like being able to touch the floor.